Now let's talk about the differences and similarities between props and state. As you have seen, props or properties are the inputs or arguments passed to a component. State, on the other hand, is the internal data managed by a component that can change over time. So props are like function arguments and state is like local variables inside a function. Now, one thing you need to know about props is that we should treat them as immutable. What does this mean? In English, to mutate something means to change it. So mutable means changeable and immutable means unchangeable. So when we say something is immutable, it means it's read-only. So in our list group component, here are our props. We should not change any of them here. We should not set the heading to a new value. If we do so, nothing is going to happen. Nobody is going to yell at us, but this is an anti-pattern in React. You will understand the philosophy behind this as we go through the course. This is based on functional programming principles. So we should treat props as immutable or unchangeable. State, on the other hand, is mutable. And that's the whole purpose of using state variables. We want to tell React that this component has data that can change over time, right? So these were the differences between state and props. But one thing they both have in common is that anytime they change, React will re-render our component and update the DOM accordingly.